where stars twinkle high. Little ghosty girl glides softly by. She waves her hand and giggles bright, playing peekaboo in the gentle night, with a friendly grin and a heart of gold. Stories untold she liked to unfold. She whispers secrets to the trees. Join her in the dance with the gentle breeze. I'm a friendly ghost, I float all around. I love to giggle, but I never make a sound. I'm not here to scare, just to say boo. Come on, let's dance, I'll dance with you. Bum, bum, bum.